This is the most fascinating story. Mathematics, right? All we have ever thought of, and I'll add to that story in a minute. There's another story that is part of it. We have heard that this something called pi, and then pi is always in circles, right? Anything to do with pi is a circle, right? Circle. You take a cylinder, there is pi. You take a sphere, there is pi. You take a cone, there is pi. You take a regular circle, everything is. So there's this notion that we say, oh, pi means that circumference to diameter. Okay, that ratio is pi, and great. There's nothing more to it. That is it, and that. No history of how we did pi. No history of the 5 decimals place. Was only required 3.14159, which was what was done by Indian Kerala School of Science, Madhava, I think. Madhava. He and that was the value that was used for so many years, because we didn't need any more precision than that, right? In fact, people say that, I forget, like 15 decimal places of precision are enough to reach us to the last point in our universe, right? I mean, jitna bada universe hai, all we can do with is just 15 places of decimal of pi, something like 15 to 20. Yet today we have like billions. I think the record is about 10 billion decimal places of pi. Anyway, so pi was all of that. I was shocked when I read that if you have, like, for instance, draws lots of parallel lines on floor, start dropping sticks of equal length randomly on the floor. Some of them will touch the line, some will not. That ratio will be pi.
Oh, is it?
I was completely shocked. These are straight lines. And imagine same thing. Then we did later on when we were doing in 37 episode on pi, we realized same thing, right? You have neem trees falling down on these brick road, right? Brick has these, brick is like largely, straight lines, right? I mean, so lots of parallel straight lines. You count the number of leaves that fall within the bricks and that touch the junction of two bricks. That ratio is pi, of course, based on the same. That is shocking. I was like, dude, this is, so now, before I look at the proof as to why it is, the fact is that pi doesn't exist only in circles. There is this supposedly straight line, and that's where pi is sitting. Now, this is important because it shows this gets this sense of wonder, right? We have not left anything for our children to wonder about, right? This example of Einstein saying the reason he discovered relativity was because he used to wonder how will the world look like if he rode a beam of light, right? I'm not kidding, this is what he said in his Walter Isaacson's book. Imagine you switch on a torchlight and immediately the torchlight comes, and imagine you sit on that torchlight and you go wherever the light goes. What will the world look like? I don't know what it looked like, but he says he used to constantly wonder about it, and that is when he said, nothing can be greater than speed of light, this, that, whatever, and story of relativity came in. Now that is what I'm saying is important. We will have to make sure the education is such that this sense of wonder, these questions which have either they have answer or they don't, I don't know, but something, and we don't have to give them the answer, we don't have to tell them. It's just that curriculum, that thing has to be spiced with such stuff. I'm not saying we don't teach formulas. I'm not saying we don't do algorithms. We should definitely do that. We should definitely mug up our the tables and this and that. All of that is good, important. But that spice, but that joy, but that wonder, if you take it out, we do not eat such taste. In fact, in South India, I wish, I don't know, you live in Bombay, but I'm assuming you are from the southern part of India. I felt that such beautiful, I think we are digressing, but such beautiful cuisine. I wish, sometimes I wish, people in Tamil Nadu, the number of, rasam recipes that we have in Tamil Nadu, I wish we had spent that kind of time or interest doing something more, whatever it is. Right? But just beautiful cuisine, and that's a different topic altogether. But I thought that this is the kind, and later, just like 3 weeks back, or maybe, about a month or a month and a half back, we were doing this second episode on pi. I realized something even more interesting. And then when I do these things, when I find these things, that is what I get joyous about. And I feel sad. Yaar, humko kyun nahi bataya tha, like you were asking, right? It doesn't exist. Yeah. The most interesting stories about mathematics or science or whatever are not part of the curriculum. And I'm not blaming anybody. I'm not saying, and I don't even want to get there. Why? they are not, they are or they are not. I just feel sad that they are not, and that is why I thought, let us just do that. We will try to compile these stories, we will try to tell these stories, and we will try to make stuff more joyous, and make you fall in love